The force is going to be to that outer door.
You'll like that, right, Austin?
Yeah.
So it's going to be that side.
Okay.
But if you guys want to,
Yeah.
we'll stop up here.
We don't need to switch sides.
No, we're
I just want to
okay,
adjust
yeah.
them a little bit.
That's fine.
Okay, ready? Okay.
He loved it. He had a good
You
time.
got the front seat.
Yep.
Front seat's good.
Nice.
Ready?
So after these guys?
Yes, sir.
So is that what you get up to, 120?
Yeah, we'll get over 120.
All right. This is going to be fun, dude.
See, it's getting you prepared for petty when
When you're
they come out,
older.
When you're older.
That's right.
Hey, this group is clear of the track.
Right.
These guys go now.
All right.
Ready?
Well, this takes off fast, just like the other cars do.
Yeah.
Wow. This feels just like the other ones too. Wow. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. This is more scary than the other car. Oh God. How you doing, Austin? Are you scared? Are you okay?
I'm fine. He's like, I'm fine. I'm fine.
I'm scared.
Are you?
Yeah.
I'm a little bit scared.
That's one lap.
125.
Wow.
Here we go. Woo!
How many laps do we do?
10.
This is the last one? That's good, because I'm scared.
Poor daddy.
Something about a helmet and a Hans device makes me a little more comfortable. This thing slips just like the NASCARs do. You can feel those tires letting go, huh?
No, I feel good.
It does feel like a power slide to me. Oh gosh. That might have been a better ride than the other cars, dude. That was fun.
What'd you think?
Wow.
Fun.
Wow.